Quick embroidery tip, I just stitched this out on the machine. It's a fairly intricate design and I did use water-soluble topper because my material is a towel. I'm never gonna get all of the pieces out. Like, look, I'm tearing it off right now. There's still a bunch of little bits stuck in here. So here's what I do whenever I am in this situation. I'm gonna take a spray bottle full of water and then I'm just gonna spritz this. All right, so it's fairly wet now. It's pretty tacky. And this does dissolve in water. Now I've got a paper towel and I'm just going to press this into the towel and the stitching. So I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. As this starts to dry, the topper will stick to the paper towel. Yeah, look. And then that'll lift out the bits. This is all sticky, so I'm gonna fold this in half and we're gonna do this again just to make sure we got everything. So let's just spritz this again. Get it fairly wet. And I'm really pressing this in and I'm gonna let this dry for a few minutes. Yep, oh yeah. I'm not rubbing, I'm just pressing. I think we pretty much got it all. This looks great and we didn't have to spend a ton of time picking out all those little bits. Now we've got to clean up the back and there's a lot to do. All right, another tip, get a lint roller and use this to pick up all the loose threads. Because this is tearaway stabilizer, we're never gonna get all the little bits out, but that's okay, they're not very noticeable. And as this towel gets washed, they'll just come out over time.